Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Bluehost login problems, server and account errors step by step clearly. Start by checking your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable connection to avoid login interruptions. Open your web browser and go to the Bluehost login page. Double-check the URL to confirm you're on the correct site. Enter your username and password in the respective fields. Make sure there are no typos or extra spaces. If you forget your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password via email. If you're still unable to log in, clear your browser cache and cookies. This can help fix any temporary issues with your browser. Alternatively, try using a different browser or device. Sometimes, the issue may relate to your current browser settings. If you suspect server issues, check Bluehost's status page. Look for any ongoing maintenance or outages that may affect login capabilities. If server issues are ruled out, try disabling any VPN or proxy services. These can interfere with your connection to the Bluehost servers. Consider disabling browser extensions that may block scripts or cookies. If you still experience problems, use the Contact Us option on the Bluehost page. Reach out to their support team for assistance with your account. Provide them with details about your login issue for quicker resolution. You can also check Bluehost's community forums for similar problems. There may be solutions shared by other users who faced the same login issues. After following these steps, you should be able to access your Bluehost account. If problems persist, professional tech support may be necessary. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.